Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Vision Well security cameras. This innovative wireless outdoor camera is equipped with rechargeable batteries that can last for 1 to 5 months on a single charge, providing worry-free use. Its IP65 waterproof rating ensures it can function effectively in any weather conditions. The camera's wireless design eliminates the need for power cords or network cables, allowing for easy installation in various locations using the provided bracket and screws. With advanced AI motion detection technology, this outdoor camera can accurately identify and analyze people, vehicles, pets, and packages. Real-time notifications are sent to your phone via the app when motion is detected by the AI sensor in the security cameras. The camera can be shared with multiple users and offers a wide-angle view, along with 1080p quality video and image capture. It features 2 night vision modes, full color and infrared, with a visible range of up to 33 feet, ensuring clear monitoring day or night. Number 2 in this best security camera for backyard list is LaView 4MP bulb security camera. This innovative camera is compact, yet packed with features of a standard security camera. It seamlessly connects to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi through cutting-edge technology. By simply screwing it into a regular E27 bulb base, 110 volts to 240 volts, you can set up the camera in just 40 seconds. All your footage is securely stored in our top-tier database for free for 30 days. Share this Wi-Fi-enabled camera effortlessly with your loved ones to capture joyful moments or ensure the safety of children and elders from anywhere. Experience sharper and brighter images of individuals in the frame, thanks to the built-in AI that detects and focuses on humans. Enjoy full-color video even in low light conditions with the advanced Starlight night vision feature. Receive alerts with motion detection and customizable sensitivity levels, along with tracking capabilities. Utilize two-way audio and a 110 dB alarm siren to deter potential intruders. The camera can be easily installed wirelessly using Wi-Fi connectivity and an E27 light bulb base. Control and view remotely from your smartphone using the LaView app, enabling multi-user access for family and friends. Compatible with voice commands via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Our third choice is NoahTec security camera. The new 5GON 2.4G dual-band wireless security camera in the form of a light bulb offers enhanced signal reception, stability, and range compared to traditional single-band models. Simply insert this Wi-Fi bulb camera into an E27-E26 light socket, 110 volts 240 volts, and plug in the adapter for easy setup. With a built-in microphone and speaker, you can engage in two-way communication and share access with multiple family members for increased security. This outdoor camera supports 3MP HD resolution for clearer images than standard 1080p cameras, along with color smart infrared night vision for clear visuals up to 33 feet in any lighting condition. Equipped with motion follow technology, the camera can trigger an alarm and emit white light to deter intruders. Our second best accent chairs is Carl Home Accent Chair. This trendy accent chair has a strong wood frame and a high sponge and breathable linen fabric cushion cover that allows you to enjoy alone time. Carl House Armchair not only serves a useful purpose, but it also adds exquisiteness to your room, creating a home atmosphere and elegant emotions. A leisure sofa, which is ergonomically constructed, provides a place to obtain greater comfort while watching films, playing games, reading books, or relaxing in front of the fireplace. This accent chair with additional pillow is full of mid-century elegance, with curving arms and flared legs. The beige cloth color combined with the natural wood color of the frame is a wonderful mix that is appropriate for any type of your home decorating. The ergonomic angle of the backrest and armrest is designed to provide relaxation while sitting and resting your arms. Comfortable linen fabric with a high-density sponge inside, enough back support, a soft back pillow, and a strong wood frame provide optimal comfort and coziness. This lounge chair is finished with a solid wood frame and can support up to 330 pounds. The cushion's high-density sponge and breathable linen fabric cover make it comfy and skin-friendly. Our fifth and last choice is ANNKE 3K Lite security camera. This comprehensive security package features a set of 8 wired 1080p cameras and an 8-channel 3K Lite DVR compatible with various camera types, including TVI, AHD, CVI, CVBS, and IP cameras. The DVR supports both 1080p 30fps and 3K 5MP 20fps cameras and is equipped with advanced sensors and smart IR technology for capturing clear images up to a distance of 100 feet. Enhanced with AI technology, the system offers accurate human and vehicle detection as well as line crossing and region entrance detection capabilities. For quick access during critical moments, the system provides intelligent searching and recordings for human and vehicle activity. With upgraded H.265 compression technology, recording time is extended while reducing bandwidth usage. An included 1 TB hard drive eliminates the need for additional expenses.